and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids0147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I've got some new goodies to share with you. So we'll start with this one. We'll start with the mini one. Then hang on, that one might be small. I don't know. I don't know which one's smaller. We'll find out when we get in them. So let's have a look at which one I have to show you today. Oh, we've got a lot of white going on. Oh, but yes, we have some colour to go with it. So this one is a dog, I'd say, more than a wolf. Maybe could be classed as a wolf. It is a 30 by 40. Let's see if I can get it to go a little bit flatter. There we go. So yeah, it does have a lot of white, but it was the colour that attracted me. It is a round. It has 18 colours and it does have DMC numbers on the canvas, but the actual image size is just under 25, the diamond painting area, by just under 35. So it does have the 5 centimetres off. It will flatten out. I'm just trying to get it to flatten quicker for the sake of the camera. We do get a toolkit, basic, pen, wax, boat, and then colours wise, we have got a lot of white in here, but we do also have a lot of other colours. So we have 3 packs of white, which you can sort of expect, but then we have some lovely mixture of some darker colours with the blue. But we've got some nice bright colours along with some pastel colours. That's a dark blue 939. Some more, few different shades of blue, including bright and pastel. A few more little bit muted colours. And then some more purples and stuff. We don't have any 310, so that's always nice. Trying to work out how this was rolled up. That was about that way. Something like that. Try and get them back in so that I can actually find the diamonds for the painting later on. So that is painting number 1. Let's have a look at number 2. So this is also a smaller size, i.e. probably a 30 by 40. And then I do have one that's a bit bigger. Oh, we do seem to have a lot of white on this one as well. But which one? Oh, again, I think I've ignored the white background on this one and I've just gone for the rest of the colours on the image. I actually don't mind doing a bulk lot of white. Okay, so this one is a 30 by 30, so it is a little bit smaller. It only has 16 colours and it is a lot of white, but look at that. I thought that would look lovely in a bedroom. You know, maybe a little girl's room that's just been decorated. Little pop of colour on a wall. So the actual diamond painting area is about 24 by 24. So it's a little bit more than 5 centimetres on the 2 sides. So that must be about 3 centimetres. We do get a toolkit, standard pen, boat, wax. And look at these colours. I mean, I say there is a lot of white. Oh, okay, we do have DMC numbers. So there are no DMC numbers on the canvas itself. Symbols are really clear though. Symbols are nice. But we do have them on the bag. So that one, 3064, that is the symbol. That is the DMC number for number 7. But look at those colours. Aren't they pretty? I do like that quite a few paintings are coming in bags now rather than in these long ones. I am liking the grip seal bags. They take up less room as well, which helps. But look at those gorgeous pinks and peaches. It's a peachy pinky type of colour. But yeah, looking forward to doing that one. And then last but not least, we do have one that's bigger. Not sure how big. Oh, we get 2 toolkits. It's big enough for 2 toolkits. I can see them peeking out the end. Can we see here? So standard one, boat wax pen. Yeah, no placers. Oh yeah. This is a wave. I like doing paintings that are long but thinner. Just because they're a lot easier to manage than ones that are big in both directions. This one is a round. It states it's an 80 by 40, but it is, let's try and get it to actually go flat. It is just under 75 by 35. Excuse me. So we do lose the 5 centimetres on either side, but again, I was thinking nice to do, but also artwork for the home. This is something that would potentially look nice on a wall, depending on the theme. Maybe you've got a dark navy blue in your bathroom. This would look nice. It's all those sort of things that go through my head when I'm looking. I'm like, where could that possibly go in my home? It is a round. It does have 20 colours and they do have DMC numbers. Symbols look amazing. They're using white letters and black letters on symbols, and I'm not seeing anything that would immediately cause any problems, anything that's too close together. This sort of top part is made up of a couple of symbols. So there is 2 or 3 symbols making up this background sky. So this is not all one colour. There is at least 2 or 3. You can possibly, I don't know if the light is showing, but there is some shading in there. There is a few, places where there is a little block of colour, but it's not too much, so I think it's going to give a bit of variety. It is more muted, this one though. So oh, we have a lot of that colour. Yeah, that's one colour, all 4 of those. So it's got like more of a peachy creamy type of background. And then we have quite a few greys, but also some lovely greens. A few more browns and peaches, which I'm guessing will be the background. Then we've got some really nice greys, blues, off-whites for the wave. Quite a few different blues for the wave. 17, what colour is that? Is that 939? It is. That one is 939, so we have a bit of 939 in there. We also have a bit of 820, 823 and 824, sort of making up your blues, along with 3750. A few greens, a few peaches. Very nice. I will fight with putting those diamonds away in a moment because this is the last one I'm unboxing. So yeah, we have the ocean image, or big wave image. We have the beautiful butterfly, so maybe bathroom, girl's bedroom, woman's bedroom, boy's bedroom, they like butterflies. And we have a fun dog or wolf in nice bright colours. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed these unboxings of different ones. I will pop the links to all of them down below, and thank you again for Fansells for sending these items for me to show you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will speak to you all again soon.